If you have a sensitive skin and struggling to find the right moisturizers for your skin type, moisturizers that calms and hydrates without any irritation, then this video is right for you. Rhythm Phyto Ceramide Moisturizer is a gentle yet powerful product designed to hydrate, protect and strengthen your skin. Ceramides are like the natural glue in your skin that keeps moisture in and protects it from outside pollution or dryness. This product has a blend of 5 types of ceramides which work together to make your skin's barrier stronger and more hydrated. If your skin often feels dry or inflamed, this makes it stronger and more resilient. The texture is super lightweight and absorbs quickly, which is ideal for sensitive skin since it doesn't feel heavy or sticky. I take a small amount and gently massage it onto my face, and within seconds it is fully absorbed. It is fragrance free, so there is no risk of irritation from artificial scents. 84% of users with sensitive skin noticed a calmer and less irritated skin after using this moisturizer. Within 3 weeks of usage, personally, I've seen a big difference in how hydrated and calm my skin feels. So if you have a sensitive skin and looking for a moisturizer that protects, hydrates and soothes your skin without any irritation, then I highly recommend the Rhythm Phyto Ceramide Moisturizer. It is lightweight, gentle and effective, everything a sensitive skin needs. The next moisturizer I have for sensitive skin type is the Rhythm Phyto Niacin Moisturizer. This lightweight moisturizer is packed with a snail mucin to repair and hydrate without causing irritation. Niacinamide gently reduces pores, evens out the skin tone and smooth fine lines. It is non-greasy, fragrance-free and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Just apply a small amount and massage it in. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and comfortable all day long. So if you are after calm, hydrated and glowing skin, then Rhythm Phyto Niacin Moisturizer is a great choice. Try these moisturizers and let me know how it worked for you. I will leave the links in the description box. I hope you find this video helpful in finding the perfect moisturizer for sensitive skin types. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family who have sensitive skin. If you have any questions, then do let me know in the comment section. Also, do let me know your favorites among these. Until then, next time, take care.